It's 7 a.m. and we're leaving snowy, cold California, and we're on our way home to British Columbia, and we're going to do it all in one drive. Well, we're going to pick up some counties along the way, and we'd like you to join us for this really long drive, but we only have about 4 or 5 caches we need to get, so come along with us. This cache is at a museum. It's right on the porch. Has a lot of favorite points. And there's lots of crispy snow. Ooh, it's hard. It's crunchy. And there's deer prints. I think we'll go up the front walk. Lake County Historical Museum. The hint says it's supposed to be a fat renderer on the porch. And I don't know why they need to insult me, but I think this is a fat renderer. This thing right here. So, the cache. Oops. Oh, there it is. I don't want to ruin it. There. Awesome. Official geocache. There we go. Woohoo! Awesome. There we go. And I just happen to have a Cache Canada path tag I can pop into the cache. So there you go.
There's no adventure labs here. That's cool.
Yeah, isn't that neat? It's called a fat renderer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you boil it up and render the fat. That's pretty cool.
Just put back in
No,
there.
it goes back in the door. Right there, yeah. And then carefully, you got to put the pin back. Yeah. That's it.
Lovely.
There we go. Our first cache on our trip back home, and another county here in Oregon.
I forgot what snow is like.
We're getting a good taste of it now. There's a couple of deer right there, right on the road. It's okay. You go right about your business. Never mind me. Oh, careful. Don't want to get too close. No. No, I don't have any food. No. You stay right where you are on that side of the garbage can, okay? Because your hooves could hurt a lot. Yeah. You just stay right there. Yeah, you never mind.
Yeah. Oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah, I don't want to get mauled. We've just entered a new county, which means we get another cache coming up soon, just down the road. Headed to the old post office in Burns, Oregon for a micro that is on this printing press. This could take some time.
Right by this coil. But it was hard to see.
Oh, huh. So she found it, and it was because it was a spider-looking cache. She flung it at me. It bounced off my chest. I was scared, backed up, and then we lost the cache. But we did find it, so we're good. We didn't have to say we found it, but then subsequently lost it. Another cache, another county. How many do we have left to go? Let's see here. We just have one more cache to get, and then we'll have all the counties available for us to get new caches in between us and home. Okay, we've been looking for a bit, and we were down in the corner. That's where the ground zero is, down there, but we had to scroll and it said nice find, Cowboy. So we're looking around here. Everything is secure, but did you notice anything?
Yeah, there's a warp in there.
No, look up.
Oh, I know, I didn't see that.
Yeah, watch this.
You went fishing.
There we go.
Nice catch. Nice catch.
Another cache for another county. I'll give you the honors of signing the log sheet. Well, we're done finding all the caches we need for the counties.
So guess what we did?
Yeah, we're celebrating at a local brewery. It was just down the street. We had to stop.
We're on our way home, and we'll be there in a while.
I'm just going to check. It's going to be a while.
It's going to be a long day to
But
ride.
yeah, thanks for joining us on this county caching expedition. We're really glad to have you with us.
Keep watching. There's more caches to be found.
Where will geocaching take you? Cheers.
Cheers.